Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the echinoderms, which actually one of the largest or the most advanced invertebrate phylum. This phylum contains more than 7,000 living species. When we talk about their special body, it's a star-like appearance, and it could be spherical or it could be elongated. Their body is actually spiny skinned. Echino means spiny and dermos means skin. So their body is actually contains a lot of spines. They also have an open circulatory system, which means that their blood openly baths different tissues and organs on their way towards the movement. And they have very specialized mechanism for the locomotion. Their feet, actually, they have certain tubes which are succulent in nature, and they helps them in the movement from one place to the another place. When we talk about the larval form of echinoderms, they show bilateral symmetry, which means that their body is equal, the right side is equal with the left side. But whenever they becomes adult, they mature, they show radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means that the central radius is actually present and their body lies across that radius. When we talk about a water vascular system which is present in echinoderms, it is a very unique circulatory system. What happens that water enters into that circulatory system, and it circulates, and it helps in the exchange of gases, it helps in the circulation of nutrients, and it also helps in the elimination of waste. And then that water comes out of that tubular system. It also helps the echinoderms in the locomotion. Now, when we talk about their structural organization, they are triploblastic organisms, which means that their body is developed from ectoderm, mesoderm, as well as endoderms. All three layers, they combine to make their body. Now, their nervous system is relatively simple, and they have a ring of nerves at the center around their mouth, and which extend along their arms. In each of the arms, they have nerve, they ending. Now, when we talk about the organal organizations, they have organ grade system organizations, which means that their organs are quietly developed, and they have true coelom. True coelom mean their body cavity is true. They have well developed body cavity. Now, when we talk about the importance of echinoderms, they have been recognized since ancient times. They have been used, even now they are being used as delicacies and part of food around the people or the countries which live around the oceans. They are important part of their food, as well as they are quite famous. They are used in different kind of you can say in the Greek and Roman nomenclatures. They have been used as medicine as well. Now, when we talk about the classes of echinoderms, they have as many as 21 different classes, and they have been classified mainly because of the difference in their skeletal structures. When we talk about the overall species of echinoderms, they are more than 6,500 species which is present at the moment, while many extinct species, as many as 13,000 fossil species, they have also been described so far.